How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to GUI
Showcase.
GUI Showcase is where I show you one of my personal GUI projects that I've created during my free time. Alright, let's get straight to the code. For today's showcase, I'll be showing my encyclopedia of the popular television show, The Boondocks. Before we start the program, I need to let you know that this took me about 2 hours to make.
Why you always lying?
Nah, I'm capping. It took me about 5 or 6 days to make. And before we also run the program, let me show you how many lines of code this took. So yeah, over 1,000 lines of code. Alright, so let's run our program. So when our program starts, we have the theme to the Boondocks show playing in the background. We have our Boondocks Encyclopedia image for our whole program. I created this in PowerPoint. Then on our left, we have our label that says, who do you want to know about? And then on top of that, we have up to 5 Boondocks characters that you can learn about. And then for our last button, we have the exit app. The next thing I want to talk about is when you hover your mouse over each button, it changes the color from black to white. So our first color, or our first button, is Huey. Turns to white and black. Second button, Riley. Third button, Granddad. Fourth, Uncle Ruckus. And fifth, Aaron Magruder. And then for our last button, we have the exit app. So the exit app, of course, ends the program if you click it. So, bam. For the next character, we're going to look at Aaron Magruder, who is the creator of the show. So we have Aaron Magruder with our label, his full name, his age, where he's from, his height, his whole background right here. He was the creator of the Boondocks, and he was the writer for the first 3 seasons. Under the bio information, you have the option to play the character's voice, stop the voice, or go back to the home page. I wasn't able to find any good voice memos from Aaron Magruder. Let's go to the home page. The next character we're going to look at is Uncle Ruckus. Alright, his name's Uncle Ruckus. He's 70. He's also from Chicago. He's about 5'6". I'm not going to play his voice memos because his opinions are a little controversial. So let's go to the home page. Now let's look at Granddad. He's 77. His real name's Robert Freeman. He's the granddad of Huey Freeman and Riley Freeman. Let's play some of his voice memos.
New shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
Yeah, so at any time in the show he would get new shoes, he would sing his new shoes song. So yeah, let's go to our homepage. And let's look at Riley. Riley's 8. He's about 4'8". His full name's Riley Freeman. He's the younger brother of Huey Freeman. And he, in my opinion, is the funniest character on the show. Let's play a voice memo from him.
Yeah, my name is Riley, son. But you know, call me AKA Riley Escobar. You know what I'm saying? Because I be the streets, you know? I got all kinds of names like HR Paper Stacks, also known as AKA Horse Choker.
Alright, let's go to the homepage. And the last character we're going to look at is Huey Freeman. So we got Huey. Huey Freeman, he's 10. Chicago, 5 feet tall. He's the older brother of Riley Freeman, the grandson of Robert Freeman, also known as Granddad. And he was based off the Black Panthers Party founders Huey Newton. And he's honestly my favorite character of the show. And let's play a voice from him.
Excuse me, everyone, I have a brief announcement to make. Jesus was black, Ronald Reagan was the devil, and the government is lying about 9/11.
So let's go back to the homepage. And that pretty much sums up the Boondocks Encyclopedia. If you really enjoyed the GUI showcase, don't forget to comment below and leave a like. Alright, thank you for watching.